Hi, I'm Monodeep Samanta, here to turn your homepage into a journey your customers will love. Let's take a quick look at some magic I've created, showcase designs briefly, and here's a glimpse of live design in action. Shows Figma clip. I've worked with amazing clients like Soup by Amazon, TEDx, Aftershock, Raiffeisen Bank, Standard Chartered, Emirates, and even the Dubai government. Got a project in mind? Let's talk about it, free of charge. Think of me as a design detective, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. It's about making your site a place where every visitor feels right at home. Ready for a homepage that wins hearts? Reach out. Let's make your site the place to be for you and your customers. Can't wait to create with you.